To add a request, click on the Request tab. You'll see three separate areas to enter information. The first one is the request. Enter a requester, that's the person or agency requesting the work to be done on the case, the date it was open, and that will get the ball rolling for the request ID. So you'll see that this ID has been populated. It's a sequential number that populates automatically. It gets assigned to the case whenever you begin to enter in a new request. Now I can select that request ID and associate it with people and items in the case. I'm going to add two names in this case. Add a birth date. Select whether they are using or submitting elim prints in this case. And if not elim prints, then a unique identifier associated with their APHIS number, state identification number, or FBI number. In our scenario, we'll add an APHIS number. We're going to add a second person. We're going to do that on another ID. So to this request ID, we'll add an item description, the date the item was received, and then we'll add a second request. Its open date. In this scenario, the second request is open 1 day later. And then associate people and items with that. No, in the elimination prints, we'll give this person a Washington State SID. And then associate an item of evidence with this as well. Change this receive date to match the request date. And if we close this out and we open it back up, go to the request tab, we'll see then that the start date corresponds with the oldest open request. So because the oldest open request has a date of 6/28/2014, then that's the start date. If we were to close this request, the start date would then become 6/29/2014. Once we've entered in requests, people, and items associated with the request, then we're able to use this information to fill out our Impressions tab. And we'll cover that in the next video.